today. So at the end of the lesson, I will give you a present. So class, before we proceed to our proper discussion, na ay prepare silang teacher ninyo og activity. So, first activity class, para na ang idea kung sa ang atong topic for today. Alright, our first activity, class, I will group you into two groups. Ang isa ay mag-act nga tinabangay o sa mga buluhaton. Ang isa po guy, na ay mo-act na one students na buhat sa tanang buluhaton. Alright, are we clear everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So I will give you 5 minutes. Your timer starts now. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So, first group. The afternoon class. Very good. Let's give the group 1A. Teacher Ruza's clap. Do you know what Teacher Ruza's clap, class?
No, teacher.
Okay, ako sa unahon ha before mo follow. Okay, like this class. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, amazing! Alright, nag-gets your ba class?
Yes, teacher.
Very good, everyone, let's stand up. Okay, 4, 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, amazing! Alright, class, how about the group 2? Muat ang isa ka student na ba? Buhat sa tanang buluhaton. Let's see if nakuhaan ba yun. Okay, wow! Nakuhaan na yun sa group 2 ang ilahang task. Okay, let's give the group 2A bombastic clap. Alright, do you know what bombastic class?
Yeah, no, teacher.
No, like, okay, you will going to follow me, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, boom! 1, 2, 3, boom! 1, 2, 3, boom! Boom! Plastic! Alright, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's stand up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, boom! 1, 2, 3, boom! 1, 2, 3, boom! Plastic! Yes, manamano ang group 1 and group 2. So, mangutana si teacher. Kung sa may na-feeling ninyo nga gina-act or gibuhat na ninyo nga activity. Alright, nalingaw, na-engage nyo sila. Ako ba? Ay, nag-iikot na ang bag kay nag-act naman ang isa pa. One very good class. Did everyone participate?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Next class is what happens if only one person's works. Isa man itong kumuha nga, one person na ang nag-work. Oh, so sa what happened man how sa rin work? Okay, dugay maayo way engagement nga mahitabo and wapoy mabuhat na mahitabo. Alright, last question. How does participation make a group work easier and better? So class, importante jud ay at the end of your task, importante jud ay ang tinabangay o participate sa usag-usa. Kay para mahuman ang usa ka buluhaton or to make your task easier. Alright class, so I will give the floor to teacher Daniela to discuss or to introduce to you our topic for today. Okay, teacher Daniela?
Good morning once again, children. How are you today?
Good, teacher.
Very good. So, ano ba question first ni ay for our topic? So, what is participatory ni ay? Kaya ba mo unsa ang participatory? Naaba mo idea kung sa atong participatory class?
Wala, teacher.
So, ang participatory is being means active, involved, and willing to contribute in a group. And also, a participatory student share ideas, lesson, cooperate, and help the group succeed. So, by hearing the words that I am speaking here in front, do you have any idea right now kung sa ito ang topic for today?
About participatory, teacher.
So, ang participatory, everyone, kaya kung ano siya, it is important, it builds teamwork. So, ang participatory, hindi siya teamwork is because para kung ano siya, easiest and fastest way na mahuman nato ang atong group class?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. And also, ang participatory shows responsibility and respect. So, when making a group activity, dapat ang tanan is participate doon kay para pagka sinabot o ang ganyang image nga group activity is kuan madali na siya mabuhat. And also, everyone feels included and valued. So, dapat kanang kuan making an activity, dapat kanang include naman kita basta ka ng participatory, basta mo participate lang doon ang tanan. Nakagets na ba, class?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Now, example here. While sharing your ideas in a group, for example, kaning grupuha is itagaan kung sila o kanang acting na kanang tuan. Na acting nga participatory group. So, ang ilang buhaton is mag-share sila idea kung sa ilang pwede nga kung sa kanang ideas nila sa script nila, mabuhaton nila para sa ilang So, listening when others speak. So, here na sad, for example, ang kaning grupuha, maghimo sila jingle. So, ang katong naghimo sa kanta o katong kahibaw sa kanang kuan, sa katong lyrics sa jingle na ilang himo is dapat imustorya na to, maminaw sila para makahibaw sila kung sa ilang sunod na angay nga buhaton, dayon. And also, helping group mates finish the task. So, another example para masabtan nyo ninyo class kung sa ang participatory. So, helping the groups man. So, dapat kung mag-group activity, magpinabakay ang talang diniti ang usa diri naglingkod lang, ang usa nagpaso-paso diha ang usa level. Dapat everyone should kanang kuan should kana help with para madali o man activity. And also, taking a role or responsibility. So, as a group man, responsibility na ginagitanan nga mo, engage mo sa tanan kay para ang inyong mga task na gihatag sa teacher is masabtan. Kung sa ganito ang participatory class,
Dapat magkinabangay.
very good again sa pailangin.
Dapat maminaw sa kinsa ang ganang ulit sa like group.
Very good kung sa palasuan.
Mag-inform teacher, magkinabangay. Share idea.
Good. Panginoon na itong mga students for today. So, once again, sa gani ang participatory Ms. Ruza.
Teacher, ang participatory kay dapat magtinabangay og naay group work.
Very good, Ms. Roslyn.
Mga teacher, dapat naminaw sa sa ulit sa imong group.
Ms. Gianna.
Mga teacher, mag-help each other teacher.
Ika, very good na dyan ani ang mga students today. Uy, graduate sila yung learning na kung ilahang na kanang kuhan, ilahang nakatunan today sa OAP discussion. Kaya very good man sila. Natay club, everyone, kaya naminaw man dyan ang tanan. Kaya baba pa sa club ka love, joy, and hope.
No, teacher!
So, ingani mo yan sa class. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, love, joy, hope. Kaya na mo class?
Yes,
Okay, let's do it together.
1, 2, 3, love, joy, hope!
So thank you everyone for the next kuan teacher for you. Everyone is teacher Gianna. Please welcome teacher Gianna.
Morning, kids! Good morning, teacher! Again, this is teacher Gianna, and if this test, if you truly understand our lesson for today. So are you ready for our activity?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so the title of our activity today is Sharing Time. Directions. 1. On a sheet of paper, write or draw your answer to one way. I will be participatory in class. Volunteers will be shared their work afterward. So, did you get our direction, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
Okay, so you may start your activity.
Done na, teacher.
Okay, so are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, of applause to